Now in this 8th section, we are going to learn how to create the checkbox just like this in our Flutter application. And again, it will be really simple as the radio button and the pop-up menu button. So again, initially we have this simple application where we have nothing in here. So let's go down. We have scaffold appar within the text of checkbox Flutter. So in the body of the scaffold, we are again going to have the list view, and inside this, the checkbox widget again provided by the Flutter material design, and it has two compulsory properties, that is value and the onChange method, and work quite similar to the previous widgets that we have learned, the radio button and the pop-up menu button. So in the value, we passed the selected box, and therefore we created our selected box of boolean type and set it to false. When this is selected, so the selected box will becomes equal to true, and when this is not selected, so this will remain the false. And we simply pass the selected box value to by default false, and in the onChange method, it returns the current state of our checkbox, like it's true or false. So simply in the set state, we will set our selected box to the box which is the current state of the checkbox, and after this Ctrl+S to hot reload, and we got this box in here. By default, its value is false, means it's not selected. When we click this will become checked, and now this selected box got the value true, and when we click this again, this set it to false, and that's how this checkbox works. And now to put some title in front of it, we will simply wrap this checkbox with the list style. So we simply wrap our checkbox with the list style and simply pass our checkbox at the leading property of the list style. And now in here, in the title, we pass the text widget terms and conditions. Now after this, Ctrl+S to hot reload, and we got this terms and conditions, and we got the checkbox just like this. And that's how you can create a simple checkbox in your Flutter application. So each time this onChange method is called of the checkbox, if this was true, this will set it to false. If this was false, simply it will set it to true. And that's how this works with this selected box variable of type boolean. And if you want to change the color of the checkbox, you have the property of check color in the checkbox widget. Let's say I want to set the check color to red. Ctrl+S to hot reload, and you can see our check color got red. Now after this, again make the check color white, just because the check red color is not looking beautiful. Now after this, Ctrl+S to hot reload, and we got the check color again the white. Now if you want to change the box color, you will simply set the active color to red. Ctrl+S to hot reload, and we got the active checkbox color to red, and you can change it to any color you like. Now you can uncheck and check this box. So that's how you can work with simple checkbox in your Flutter application, and you will get to know more about all of these small widgets in the future videos when you go forward and use them in our real-time applications.